Hello, let's help MooMoo count the toys. How many balls do you see? Can you count them with MooMoo? 1. Good job, 1 ball. How many dolls do you see? Let's count them one by one. 1, 2. Well done, 2 dolls. How many cars do you see? Take a look and start counting. 1, 2, 3. Great job, 3 cars. How many teddy bears do you see? Count carefully with MooMoo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice work, 4 teddy bears. How many blocks do you see? Let's count all the blocks together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good counting, 5 blocks. How many robots do you see? Can you count each robot? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done, 6 robots. How many kites do you see? Look closely and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job, 7 kites. How many puzzles do you see? Try counting them slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice counting, 8 puzzles. How many trains do you see? Let's count every train together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done, 9 trains. How many balloons do you see? Count them all with MooMoo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Amazing! 10 balloons. Good job counting the toys. See you next time.